Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English grammar for grade 8A. Here I am teacher Mrs. Naula, and today I am going to do two exercises 7A and 9 on pages 53 and 54 of English grammar workbook. My dear students, as you know, nowadays we are doing our module 7 with the topic polite request. For exercise 7A, you are going to write full answers using "I'll" for offering and adding any necessary extra words. For exercise 7A, you will find a couple of dialogues between two characters A and B. The sentences being narrated by A have been written flawlessly, completely. There is no problem with the sentences for character A. But for character B, we have to write the correct sentence by using the keywords which are given to us by the author. Number 1 has been done as an example for us. I forgot to tell Jack about the meeting, and B says, I phone him, you like. The answer should be, I'll phone him if you like. Number 2, I'm really thirsty, and B says, I get you drink. Please write the answer, I will get you a drink. Number 3, hello IT support, my printer isn't working, and the keywords for character B are, okay, I come over, have a look. Please write the answer, okay, I'll come over and have a look. Number 4, character A says, I think I'm going to miss my train. I think I'm going to miss my train. And the keywords for character B I'm going to tell you, I take you station you like. Please write the answer now. I'll take you to the station if you like. I'll take you to the station if you like. Number 5, this city is great. And B says, I'll lend it you want. Write the answer, I'll lend it to you if you want. Number 6, have you got the email address for ACE? No. Who says? Character B. But that's not a complete, comprehensive and meaningful sentence. The correct sentence will be our real answer. Just wait. No, but I find it and email it you. And here comes the answer. No, but I will find it and email it to you. Number 7, can you give me some information about the holidays in Greece? And character B says, certainly, I get you brochure. Please write the answer. Certainly, I'll get you a brochure. Certainly, I'll get you a brochure. Number 8, this is a very interesting article. And B says, I photocopy it you. Please write the answer. I will photocopy it for you. I will photocopy it for you. For exercise 9A, our instruction is very clear. We have to complete the sentence with the correct form of will or going to and a verb from the box. My dear students, as you know, in order to construct a sentence for future indefinite tense, we use the helping verb will along with all the subjects. No matter the subject is he, she, it, I, or any singular name or plural noun, we use the helping verb will plus the first form of the verb, that is the present form of the verb. The students will do the exam. My father will drive the car. These are the simple affirmative sentences for future indefinite tense. But sometimes we also use going to in order to express any future tense. For example, I will say, my parents are going to plan a party next week. Okay. Another example, I am going to give you a new lecture. So when you will say will and when you will not say going to. Now this is the main question. We have to be careful about the selection of will or going to for the future sentences. You will use will when you say something spontaneously, abruptly, without any planning. And you will use these two words going to describe a planned event about which you are 100% sure. Here are some examples. Number 1. It's Paul's birthday today. And B says, is it? I'll go and get him a card. Is it? I'll go and get him a card. So will. So that is our answer because character B is saying these words without thinking. It was just a sudden response from his side. Number 2. Do you want to take a taxi home? And B says, no, I think I'll walk. It's not far. No, I think I'll walk. It's not far. Number 3. Would you like to get out for a meal tonight? And B says, thanks, but I can't. Sue and I are going to spend the evening with my parents because that event is already programmed, scheduled. There is no change. So that's why character B is not using will. Okay, please write the answer. Thanks, but I can't. Sue and I are going to spend the evening with my parents. Number 4. I have just seen Mark go into the cafe next door. And we say, really? I haven't seen him for ages. I'll go in and say hello. Number 5. What are you doing this weekend? B. I'm going to visit my brother and his girlfriend. They are having a barbecue. Number 6. What are you doing this weekend? And B says, I'm not sure. Maybe I will see a film. Maybe I will see a film. My dear students, so far we have done 2 exercises for our module number 7 on pages 53 and 54. I hope you will revise the classwork and understand the concepts about the imperative sentences where you are going to make some polite requests. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.